think it started over the tower. Yeah. We're on Lee Road 38 still. Like, the thing is, still, you just cannot, you know. It's nothing like you see in real person in the videos. It's way worse. I mean, it's just destroyed. This whole road is destroyed. It's just crazy. It had trees and it was like all nice looking, you know, neighborhood.
Yeah. I wonder where that one dude lived, that road dog.
I don't know. Yeah, that whole house is shifted.
So it was going, the tornado was going this way.
Lee. You got the back of that house, didn't it?
Yeah, I didn't rip that carport off. Didn't even touch that house.
Wait, this is Lee Road 100, ain't it? This ain't 38.
Where's 38? There's that trailer. It's turned over.
That's crazy. What? Get on the side. Go right over. Yeah, this is 100. 38's off of it. You gotta go a little bit further down to get 38. I'm almost for sure.
Back the other way?
Mm-hmm. Go back down here at the end and we'll see the sign. I'm almost for sure this is Lee Road 100. And 38's off it.